Good morning ka-friendship! Today's video ay gagawa tayo ng black sambo. Okay, so sit back and relax and please enjoy watching this video until the end. Friendship, here are our ingredients. Meron tayo ditong white unflavored gelatin. Meron tayong 1 cup na tubig, 300 ml na condensed milk, 250 ml na all-purpose cream, and para naman sa ating chocolate layer, meron tayo ditong isang pakete ng white and flavored gelatin, meron tayong dark chocolate, meron tayo ditong nips which is optional, 1 cup white sugar, 1 cup water, and then meron tayo ditong 370 ml na evaporated milk. Okay ka-friendship, let's do the rock and roll. Okay ka-friendship, ang una nating gagawin ay tutunawin natin ang ating unflavored gelatin sa tubig. So, ayan. Tutunawin lang natin siya. And then after that, pwede na nating ilagay ang ating condensed milk. At saka yung ating all-purpose cream. So, ayan. Give a good mix, ka-friendship. To do next is isi-simmer natin or ibubuhos muna natin yung ating mixture sa isang pan. And then, isi-simmer lang natin siya ka-friendship. With constant stirring lang siya ka-friendship. Haluin lang natin ng haluin hanggang sa mag-simmer siya. Friendship, nagsisimmer na siya. So, pwede na nating patayin ang apoy. I-cool down na lang muna natin siya ka-friendship and ita-transfer sa isang container bago natin siya i-transfer sa ating molder. Po yung ating white layer, so ita-transfer natin siya sa ating molder. So, ayan. So, ayan na siya ka-friendship. What we're going to do next is takpan natin to, i-cool down at saka ilagay sa ref ng at least 2 hours bago natin dagdagan ng ating chocolate layer. So, balikan natin siya later ka-friendship. Friendship, nag-settle down na yung ating white layer. So, what we're going to do next is gagawin naman natin yung ating chocolate layer. Do next ka-friendship is tutunawin natin sa tubig yung ating white and flavored gelatin. So, ayan. Tutunawin lang natin siya ka-friendship. Dagdag na rin natin yung ating dark chocolate ka-friendship. Ito ka-friendship, pwede kayong gumamit ng kahit anong chocolate na gusto ninyo. Pwede rin kayong gumamit ng cocoa. So, kanya-kanyang trip yan ka-friendship. So, ayan. Dagdag na rin natin yung ating white sugar. At saka yung ating evaporated milk. Give a good mix ka-friendship. next ka-friendship, sa isang pan, ibuhos natin ang ating chocolate mixture. So, ayan. And then, constant stirring lang ka-friendship hanggang sa mag-simmer yung ating mixture. Friendship, nagsisimmer na siya. So, pwede na nating patayin ang apoy. And then, i-transfer natin sa isang container. I-cool down bago natin ibuhos doon sa ating white layer. Na po yung ating chocolate layer. So, what we're going to do next is ibuhos natin siya sa ating white layer. Okay, so ayan na po siya ka-friendship. I-cool down lang muna natin siya and then ilagay natin sa ref ng at least 2 hours and then balikan natin siya later. Ito na po yung ating finished product, ang ating black sambo. Okay, garnish natin siya ng nips sa itaas, pampadagdag kulay. So, ayan. So, ayan na po siya ka-friendship, ang ating black sambo. Okay ka-friendship, sana nagustuhan ninyo ang ating black sambo for today. Kindly hit that like and share button. And to those who are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button. Kindly include the notification bell, and every single comment is highly appreciated. Once again, this is Toto at your service. Always remember, a person's most beautiful asset is not head full of knowledge, but a heart full of love, an ear ready to listen, and a hand willing to help others. Okay, ka-friendship, thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. God bless us all. Bye-bye!